Hi everyone, please join me. For work I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. And in this video tutorial you will see how to crochet my unique 6-petal flower. In white color of yarn it could be perfect for snowflake, but you can choose variegated yarn and you will get amazing flower. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the foundation ring. Make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And join the chain and round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. And to work into the ring, I'm making double crochet with picot. Chain of 3 to bring up the yarn instead of first stitch. Then chain of 3 for the picot. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the fourth chain stitch away from the hook. Make a slip stitch. Yarn over the hook. Make 11 double crochet with picot. 1 and picot. 2 and picot. The third one and picot. Chain of 3, insert the hook into 2 loops of the double crochet. Make a slip stitch. In total it should be 11 of them. I am done 11 double crochet stitches with picot, plus 3 chains to bring up the yarn with picot. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch on the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. My round is ready, and let's crochet the next round. It is going to be a round of chain spaces. For this, make a chain, make back post, single crochet. Insert the hook from the back. So I insert the hook from the back to the front around the chains. Make back post, single crochet. Then chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make 2 back posts, single crochet. Work around the next stitch. 1, and make the second one around the next stitch. This is my chain space. They are picots on the front side of the work. It is very beautiful and simple at the same time. Let's crochet the next chain space. Make chain of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make 2 back posts, single crochet in a row. 1, and 2. Then chain of 9 for the chain space. So keep working this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 6 of them. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. I'm about to complete this round. I'm done back post single crochet. I skip chain stitch, insert the hook into the first back post single crochet, make a slip stitch. My round is ready, and let's crochet the trim for my petals. Make a chain, make slip stitch with chain 6 times. I will count only slip stitches. 1 chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6, continue, then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain space, make slip stitch, then chain of 7 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make a slip stitch, then chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a slip stitch. Well done. It is going to be the first slip stitch. Make slip stitch with chain 6 times. I'm done the first slip stitch. Chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6. Make a chain, they are 2 stitches. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make a slip stitch, make a chain, work with next chain space, make slip stitch with chain 6 times. 1 and stop at this point. Let's stop and look what I have done. So my first petal is ready. I continue working. I will repeat one more time. Work with next petal. I'm done the first slip stitch, chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6, then chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch, then chain of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and slip stitch, chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch, and it's gonna be the first one. Chain, make the second one, and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 chain. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make a slip stitch, make a chain, make the first slip stitch. Let's stop, and my second petal is ready. I'm done 2 petals. It is very simple and unusual at the same time. Keep working this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 6 of them. Then I will show you how to complete my flower. In total it should be 6 of them. I'm about to complete this round. There is my single crochet. I already did slip stitch into, insert the hook into this single crochet, make a slip stitch. To secure the yarn by making a chain. And let's look at the back side. I will remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the work. Let's stop and look what I have done. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how my flowers look like. It is very easy and quick to make. You don't need special skills, you just need to know how to work with basic stitches and front post and back post single crochet. You can use white color of yarn and it looks like snowflake. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use these flowers. And all information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!